Okay, so many years ago, I was chatting with one of the church mothers at my church. It was after service, and I really always loved talking with all of them after church. We would just kind of talk, what were you cooking that Sunday? And oh my gosh, I miss it so much. But one of the mothers, we were talking one Sunday about turkey wings. I said, yeah, when I get home, I'm going to make smothered turkey wings. And she said, how are you going to do them, Yvette? And so I kind of talked her through my recipe. And she said, oh. And then she proceeded to tell me how I should do them. And I have to tell you, I took that recipe that day. I changed the way I make turkey wings forever. You know, I used to make them like everybody else and just kind of make the turkey wings in the oven, you know, bake them off really nicely and make a gravy out of the juice from the turkey wings. And it would be really, really good. But this, oh my goodness. It just changed the game completely. So over the years, I have really made the recipe my own, and that is what I encourage you to do, to just kind of make recipes that you learn your own. You want to make them suitable to your taste buds, to your family's taste buds. If you don't like onions, leave them out. If you don't like paprika or something like that, whatever the recipe is calling for that may not be suitable for you and your family, just cut it out. You know, I never had an opportunity to meet my mom's mom or my father's mom. They both passed before I was born. So I have always looked at the mothers of my church as grandmother figures. And I have just always loved sitting at their feet and just gleaning from them whenever I had an opportunity to. And I encourage you to do the same. You know, if there are wise women amongst you, don't take it for granted. Glean what you can from the wisdom around you. You know, sometimes it just takes sitting and listening or watching somebody cook. You know, my dad talked about how he learned how to cook sweet potato pie and so many other things just watching his mom in the kitchen. And I have done the same. Like, I sat and watched my mom cook. I would sit at the counter and watch and help where I could. But I learned so much just paying attention to the details when my mom was cooking. Even to this day, I love watching my mom cook. I love it. I learned so much. So I know that you've learned how to cook a thing or two. What are some of your absolute favorite things to cook? Tell me about it in the comments section. If you are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not. It really supports my channel. And leave me a comment in the comments section. you're gonna fry these turkey wings on both sides and then drain out as much of the oil as you can. Once you add the onions, you're gonna add a little bit of rosemary, and then what you see me sprinkling here inside the pan is chicken flavoring. It's chicken bouillon. I buy that stuff in droves. It is so good. It really changes the way you cook. Beef, chicken, whatever. But this is the part of the recipe that just blew me away. That you're just going to add water to the pan. And I just thought, what is going to happen to my turkey wings with me smothering them in all of this water? I had no idea the very first day that I made this that magic things were going to happen to those turkey wings. They get so tender. Oh my goodness. They get so tender, and the flavor just goes all the way through the turkey wings. So sometimes when you make turkey wings, they have like this kind of gamey taste to them. They can. But cooking them this way takes out any of that, and it just makes the flavor, all of the flavors that you've lovingly put into the turkey wings, get into all of the meat, and the meat is just so tender. This, by far, is the best way to make turkey wings. I will never, ever make them the way that I used to. And the way I used to make them was really, really good. But oh my goodness, this just changed the game. It really changed my turkey wing game. And what you see me doing right here is just kind of adding the flour and water mixture to the pan. And this is really just the old-fashioned thing. Like my dad did this forever when he would make like smothered pork chops or something. And but this, adding that, you know, my mom and dad actually. I think I probably saw my mom do it more than my dad, come to think of it. Anyway, but adding just a little bit of water and flour thoroughly mixed together to all of the flavor that is currently in the pan. Oh my goodness. Please don't even let me tell you about it. You have to make this. You have to make it. Like, this is comfort cozy food season. So hopefully you will actually cook this for yourself or cook it for someone you love, and let me know what you think. Come back to the comments of this video and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I will be praying for you, and I'll see you soon.